Hello everyone, thank you for checking out this video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chris and today I have a video for you all about the Maui Jim Valley Isle sunglasses. So these are really cool, a very unique pair of sunglasses here. This particular model that I have here has a navy blue frame here on the top and the temple arms with a tortoise color here on the bottom half of the lenses and a dual mirror silver to blue lens on the front. So a very cool pair of sunglasses here, quite unique, very different from anything else that I have seen from Maui Jim. So we're going to get into this. I'll tell you all about it. We're going to look at its fit, its features. We'll do some close-up pictures of it, and hopefully by the end of the video you'll have a really good idea of what these are all about. We're going to talk about the lenses here as well too, and basically, you know, what you see through them and what makes this blue to silver mirror kind of unique. So if you're new here to the channel, please stick around to the end of the video. I'll tell you all about my channel, what you can find here, you know, how you can find things easier, and hopefully the channel can become a good resource for you for finding out information on not only sunglasses, but all different types of outdoor apparel. So we'll get into that here at the end of the video. Please stick around so you can learn what this channel is really all about. So let's get into these sunglasses. All right, really cool. As I said, this is a really classic style pair of sunglasses here. They have a really nice, it's a solid frame. As I said, the top half of it is a navy blue and down the side temple arms with the tortoise color here on the bottom half of the lenses. Definitely a very different look. Now, this particular model, the Valley Isle, is available in several different colors, right? Between different frame colors and different lens colors. So you do have some choices, but this one is quite unique and I really wanted to give this a shot and see what it was all about. So, as I said, just a real classic look here. This is a medium-sized fit, so it's not very large. I have kind of like an average size head. A medium to a large on most pairs of sunglasses fit me great. So this one is a medium, and yeah, I have no problem with the fit here on this one. So while we're talking about the size, let's just tell you about the dimensions of this here. So this actually is a little unique in the fact that it has a base curve of 4, which is kind of unusual. Most of these types of sunglasses have a base curve of 6. And then you have your wrap style sunglasses that kind of wrap around your face a little bit more to block out extra light. They have a base curve of 8. So this being a base curve of 4, is actually a pretty flat pair of sunglasses. So when you fold these down, it really folds up, you know, pretty flat here, okay? Quite unique actually, because a base curve of 6 is really much more common than a base curve of 4. But here you have it, okay? No big deal. All it means is that it's open a little bit more on the sides. Right, it doesn't have that curve that comes around a little bit. It's kind of just flat, straight across. Even though it's open a little bit more on the sides, the temple arm here is a little bit thicker. So it's going to block out a little more extra light than just a thin rail going across to the back. So still kind of pretty cool. So the lenses itself are 53 millimeters across, 42 millimeters in height, and the nose bridge is 19 millimeters. The temple arm length is 145 millimeters, okay? So just a really nice, comfortable fitting pair of sunglasses here. These actually are really nice and comfortable. They fit very well. The hinges here are nice and strong. They're nice big hinges on here. They are not spring hinges, however, okay? So just let you know, be aware of that one. No big deal, just they're not spring hinges on this one. The other thing here I've noticed with the frame is that there are no little rubber pads on the nose bridge here. nor on the back of the temple arms, like behind your ears. Okay, there's no rubber pads here, so they're not giving you any extra grip. However, I think these sunglasses are really more for casual use than for sporting use, okay? Can you use these while you're out sport fishing on your boat? Sure. Can you wear these while you're out hiking? Sure. But any other kind of, strenuous activity like trail running, mountain biking, playing volleyball on the beach, something, that might not be the best choice, okay? These are really more designed for, I would say, more casual use, everyday wear kind of thing. They do have the glass lenses, okay, the super thin glass lenses here from Maui Jim. So they are a little bit heavier. The glass lenses are going to give you some weight. So this particular pair of sunglasses here weighs 46 grams or 1.64 ounces, okay? So it's got a little heft to it, and it's a pretty thick, chunky frame here as well. So 46 grams on these. So definitely a solid pair of sunglasses here, although they fit really nicely and they're quite comfortable to wear. So, no issues with that as far as the comfort. Now, the glass lenses here are going to be your top quality lens. They are going to give you the most clarity. They're going to give you the most durability, all right? They're going to be more scratch resistant and just a stronger lens than the plastic, the polycarbonate lenses. However, the polycarbonate lenses are great for more sporty activities where lightweight is the #1 issue, okay? But with these, we're getting, the highest quality glass lenses here, so your view through them is really, really nice. And the glass lenses are typically a little more preferred in their higher level models, let me say. They're more expensive models. The glass lenses are going to cost a bit more than the polycarbonate, but you're getting a little bit better lens. All right. Now, let's talk specifically, just briefly, on the mirrors on this lens. This one has the blue to silver dual mirror. So it's actually pretty cool. It's based on top of the neutral gray lens. So I don't want to get into these lenses too much today, simply because I'm going to be doing another video all about these dual mirrored lenses. There's 3 different dual mirror lenses that Maui Jim offers. That's the blue to silver, that's on this one. There's a silver to black, and there's also a gold to silver. So I'm going to do a whole nother video all about those 3 lenses, what the differences are, what you see through them. It's actually going to be pretty cool. So you might want to check that out, but I will just tell you briefly here that the blue to silver mirror on here it's a cool feature, but it doesn't stick out as much as you think. The picture on the Maui Jim website really shows the blue on the top down to silver. My pictures that I have taken here for you in the background shows it pretty well. I will tell you, I was actually pretty surprised at how well the blue to silver showed up here, because in real life, you don't see the blue to silver mirror very well on the front of this. You do see a mirrored lens on the front, but you have to be at a certain angle to really see that blue coming out on it. Perhaps it's because the blue on the top half of the frame, this dark navy blue, might take away a little bit or attract more attention to the blue on the frame than you see on the lens. But it's just, in my experience here with these, it's not a prominent feature on the front of these sunglasses when you look at them. You do see the mirror, you do see it a little bit, it is there, but it's just not like sticking out at you, right? But it still looks really cool. It's still a nice pair of sunglasses here. They are pretty much like a gradient lens where the top of the lens is darker than the bottom of the lens. So it's kind of a cool effect. Now, it's based on Maui Jim's neutral gray lens. So what happens is when you put a blue mirror on the neutral gray lens, it actually turns your view a little more of the bronzy look. Okay, so when you look through these, you really see a little more bronze than you do the gray. This particular model kind of gives you that contrast, a combination of a gray and a bronze together. It's not a very dark lens. It's not as dark, I would say, as a standard neutral gray, because it kind of gives you a little more of that amber bronze color through it. It seems to brighten it up just a little bit, but it's still a really nice, dark pair of sunglasses for bright light conditions. But a very cool looking pair of sunglasses here. And again, so for more information on these mirrors, this particular dual mirror lens, please check out the other video that I'll have coming out here very, very soon. All right, so definitely a very cool look here. So that's pretty much it. I've showed you a bunch of pictures here. We've looked at all the different features here. Just a unique pair of sunglasses here. This particular color style might not be for everyone. There are other colors and choices available for this model. But this is a really just classic, standard, looking pair of sunglasses that really looks and feels great. So a nice choice here from Maui Jim. And, I don't think that this particular pair of sunglasses, the Valley Isle, is, one of their most popular ones. But if you like this classic style look, this is a really great choice. You can't go wrong with these. These are really nice. All right, and they're giving you a high quality glass lens. You've got a nice, sturdy, durable frame. The great look here. Just a really nice pair of sunglasses here from Maui Jim. All right, so that's it. Short and simple today, just to give you a good idea of what this is. Very cool. I mean, these are definitely unique. So these are actually kind of great for both men and women. They just have that typical, just standard casual look for a pair of sunglasses. So definitely very cool. And like all Maui Jim sunglasses, they come with a nice case, a cleaning cloth, so they're protected. And these cases are really cool because you can fold them down. They fold flat. You can stick them in your pocket, in your backpack, or whatever. So really nice option there. That comes with all the sunglasses from Maui Jim as well. Okay, so one last look here. You can see some close-up pictures here of the fit. Definitely a really cool pair of sunglasses, both angles on the sides. So we're going to wrap it up here. If you enjoyed the video, if it helped you out, please hit the little thumbs up, the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're into Maui Jim stuff. I have a ton of videos on Maui Jim sunglasses. Also, Costa Del Mar and Serengeti, we're getting into quite a bit here. And I have a ton of videos here on all different types of outdoor apparel. Things like jackets, base layers, pants. We get into some boots, some backpacks, sunglasses, Yeti products, and Epic water filters. So Epic water filters are really cool. They're a company that make little filters that go inside your water bottles. So when you take your water out on all your adventures, you can always refill your bottle and have nice, clean, healthy, filtered water with you wherever you go. So those are really cool. I have links in the video's description below for all that. So yeah, some neat stuff there. We typically talk about all different types of outdoor apparel for outdoor adventures like hiking, trekking, climbing, skiing, camping, fishing, trail running, mountain biking, sailing, right? All that kind of stuff. tons of videos here, like well over 600 videos, and they're all broken up into different categories in the playlists here on the YouTube channel. So for example, if you're looking for more Maui Jim videos, you can go to the playlist, pull up my Maui Jim playlist, and have all my Maui Jim videos. Same with Costa, same with Serengeti, Arc'teryx, Rab, Helly Hansen, Norn, Mountain Equipment, they're all there. Yeah, so you can find things much easier by using the playlists. So hopefully that'll help you out. I also have a website called Me and My Jackets, where we not only look at all different products and what to wear when you're outdoors, doing all those fun adventures, things that help keep you warm, dry, and comfortable when you're out there, but we also have a lot about the companies as well and what they have to offer. So very cool, you know, the website ties in here to the YouTube channel, and hopefully you can get some good information that can help you out, answer some questions, and yeah, a ton of videos here. So please subscribe to the channel, support what I do here, and take some time, take a look around, because there's a ton of stuff here for you guys. All right, so again, thank you very much for your time today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out, showed you what these glasses were all about. And yeah, we'll see you again soon. I'll be doing some more videos for you on Maui Jim, you know, as well as, you know, everything else. So thank you very much. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.